Welcome, pet lovers. Let's explore why exercise is crucial for our furry friends.
Regular exercise keeps pets at a healthy weight, preventing issues like obesity, respiratory problems, and joint issues. Daily walks improve digestion, circulation, and muscle strength, plus it promotes healthy bones and prevents constipation. Exercise prevents boredom-related behaviors like digging and excessive barking. Exercise lifts their spirits, especially during life changes. Walks, toys, and social activities equal happy pets. Remember, exercising your pets is important.